Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the motion controller and pairing it with the drone. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the DJI app shows a successful bind. Next, confirm the drone battery is full and firmware versions match, because mismatches cause control errors. Once done, keep propellers off for the initial connection and sensor calibration. This prevents accidents and lets you test stickless commands safely. You will see LED status. Green means ready. Red means troubleshoot binding or firmware. You now calibrate sensors and orient the controller for accurate motion mapping. Follow the on-screen 3-axis IMU and compass rotations until confirmation. Then select left or right-hand mode in the controller settings so gestures match your dominant hand. This reduces input lag and confusion. Once done, arm the drone and perform a slow, controlled hover. Practice tilting and twisting the controller gently to learn sensitivity. Gradually increase input. This helps you sync visual feedback with physical motion. You can now fly. Squeeze the index trigger to ascend or descend, twist your wrist for yaw, and tilt the controller forward to move forward. Combine inputs for smooth lines. Make sure you know return to home and emergency stop shortcuts. These save flights if GPS degrades. If you encounter lag or a gyro error, rebind the controller, recalibrate the IMU, and reboot both devices. If problems persist, update firmware and retry. Keep movements deliberate. This prevents sudden corrections and keeps
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.